Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the model and serial number on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV to open the Settings menu. In Settings, select Device and Software and press OK. Enter your PIN code if prompted and then enter the About section. Here in the About section, you're going to have to highlight your TV option, and on this list on the right side of your TV, you'll be able to find both the model name and the serial number of your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.